तरह के बॉन्ड होते हैं आपको पता है?
थोड़ा
बताना जरा।
भूल रहा हूँ मैं।
कोई बात नहीं, बताओ कॉन्फिडेंस। चलो बताएंगे मैम, सवाल पूछो।
मैम अपन दोनों मिलके बताएंगे।
हाँ नहीं मिलके नहीं, अकेले बताना।
नहीं मिलके बताएंगे ना।
बॉन्ड बताओ ना, कितने टाइप के बॉन्ड होते हैं? कोई सॉन्ग मैम ने आपका था क्या मैम? वो हाँ
थैंक यू सो मच।
मैम एक बार हो जाए।
हाँ
बच्चे
मैम एक बार 2-4 लाइन तो हो जाए। बहुत सारे बच्चे नए होते हैं, उन्होंने सुना नहीं होता।
हमारे सर कह रहे हैं मुझे भी इस बैच का एक्सेस चाहिए।
सीआरटी
नहीं सॉरी सर,
बिल्कुल नहीं सर को एक्चुअली स्टोरी सुन के सर को बहुत इंटरेस्ट आ गया है।
तो मैम आपको स्टोरी सुनाएंगी और मजा आएगा आपको पढ़ने में, और जब आप एग्जाम देने जाओगे तो एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में वो कहानियां याद आएगी और आप सवाल अच्छे से कर पाओगे।
सही बात।
हेलो गुड इवनिंग सारे बच्चों को। एंड आई हैव विद मी द ऑसम पंकज सर एंड द मोस्ट अमेजिंग एमआर सर।
हेलो एवरीवन।
एमआर सर कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? बिल्कुल। आज हम क्यों आए हैं सर?
हम आए हैं एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न को सॉल्व करने, और वो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब भी हम क्लास में पढ़ा रहे होते हैं, नॉर्मली 2-3 साल हो गए हमें पढ़ाते हुए, तो बच्चा कहते हैं सर इंग्लिश में पढ़ाओ। हमें इतनी अंग्रेजी आती नहीं, हम कहाँ से पढ़ाएं अंग्रेजी में? बोला इंग्लिश बोलो सर, मतलब वर्ड्स आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते हो और कभी हिंदी में लिख देते हो, तो काफी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बच्चे। बहुत सारे बच्चे इंडिया के कोने कोने में, साउथ में हो गया, बहुत सारे बच्चे इंग्लिश में ही पढ़ते हैं प्योर। तो प्योर इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले बच्चों के लिए सरप्राइज है आज। ये हम सरप्राइज रिवील करना है बच्चों के सामने।
पंकज सर योर इंग्लिश इज टू गुड। इंग्लिश में सर
इंग्लिश खराब है, तभी तो इस बैच
इस बैच की जरूरत पड़ी क्यों? और ये बैच यकीन इंग्लिश बैच जो है आपके सामने आ रहा है, और इस बैच में सेम वही फीचर, सेम वही एनर्जी से टीचर्स पढ़ाएंगे आपको जो इस बैच के बारे में आप जानते हैं। ठीक है, आपको पता है कि यकीन इंडिया का सबसे ज्यादा सिलेक्शन वाला बैच है, और इस बैच में वही सारी चीजें होंगी, वही सारे फीचर्स होंगे जो आपने सोचे हैं, और भी हम इसको आने वाले टाइम में और इंप्रूव करेंगे, और बहुत सारे फीचर्स अभी चल रहे हैं जो प्लानिंग में हैं, वो भी आपको इस बैच के अंदर मिलेंगे।
बिल्कुल। बहुत सारे अमेजिंग फैकल्टीज भी हमारे साथ है जो आपको इस बैच में पढ़ाने वाले हैं। बिल्कुल, सारे टीचर्स का मोस्ट वेलकम।
Hello everyone, hello my dear students. So we are here finally with Shalini ma'am and with your favorite teachers, all English teachers, and I have seen a lot of students commenting in the comment section, MRs for MR sir, Pankaj sir, and your favorite zoology teacher as well. And we have come up for you a very amazing batch, and again with the same energy and with a new strategy. And I would like to pass my mic so that they can talk. So over to you, Shalini ma'am.
Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. I was really looking forward to today, wanting to meet you all. I know a lot of you had been requesting for a yucky neat English batch in the Pure English channel, and we finally come up with it. We have come up with a lot of new strategies in terms of mind maps and mnemonics and songs to help you remember all of the difficult concepts and examples. I hope all of you are as excited as us. I have here with us Bhavika ma'am also, who will be...
I have seen your song.
कोई सॉन्ग मैम ने आपका था क्या मैम? वो हाँ
Thank you so much.
बहुत बढ़िया।
मैम एक बार हो जाए।
हाँ
बच्चे
मैम एक बार 2-4 लाइन तो हो जाए। बहुत सारे बच्चे नए होते हैं, उन्होंने सुना नहीं होता।
Really?
जी जी मैम, प्लीज। यस मैम, यस मैम।
At least 2 lines बच्चों के लिए।
Hey, do you know how cells produce energy? It is by cellular respiration. Aerobic and anaerobic are its types. They differ in their need for oxygen. While aerobic makes use of oxygen, which anaerobic doesn't need, both can still make ATP. The first step in them both is the same, and it's got such a fancy name.
अच्छा ओ
I'm sure you'd love to learn more about it. Glycolysis, it is a 10-step long reaction that occurs in the cytoplasm, also known as EMP pathway. I think that's enough for now.
यस मैम, ऑल गुड।
So this was the example how our Yaqeen batch is going to be. It is full of fun. We are going to teach in this like songs, mnemonics, and so
हम
many
भी
things.
एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाएंगे सर, घबराओ मत आप। हम लोग भी
Okay.
एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाएंगे बहुत सारे।
Yes. So this how our fun-filled Yaqeen batch is going to be. So yeah, over to you, sir.
first of all, I think we forgot our signature shout out right now. So, hello bachcho, Sat Sri Akal and Namaste from entire team of Expandables, Yakeen English NEET team. Hi everyone. So, welcoming you all to the one of the awesome, finest launch, right? As usual, here everything happens onto the students' demand, and right, we are again we started in 2023, then we came upon to 2024, and finally we are continuing our journey with 2025. So I think what say Shali ma'am, this kind of the structures you are going to see into the right, the mitochondria, powerhouse of this cell, right? The what you can say, the benzene structure, the center of mass of this phase, right? So this kind of the structure is already there onto the app. You have to go, you have to find this kind of the structures, and you have to enroll into the batch.
And the price is going to be 399.
Most important
Yeah,
thing
we
that
haven't
ma'am has
mentioned, so
said.
we have to
The
say
price
that
is
as
going to
well.
be 3999, right?
Yeah.
So officially, it is launched, right? Today we are going to discuss the micro details. Later on, we will be having the small, I think we will discuss with the team, and we will be having the separate orientation session also. So this is how the batch appears into the PW app with the different kind of the facial structures, right? And you can access to it, right?
And this is going to be targeted for batch. This is being targeted for NEET droppers. I've got a lot of features in the batch. So let's talk about it. So, ma'am, will you
Yeah,
start?
so this time we have some more features. Yes, first feature I'm going to talk about is Khazana. Khazana is a treasure. So along with Yakeen NEET 2025, you will also get all the previous lectures of Yakeen 2023-2024. So whichever subject, whichever teacher you're comfortable with, you can follow them, you can see their lectures, you will have khazana of lectures to follow them. And yes, so along with khazana, we have a mentorship for which I'll call Shalini ma'am to talk about.
Shalini
Yes,
ma'am, sorry to interrupt. This is a special thing that has been introduced this time.
Yeah.
And this didn't appeared in Yakeen 23 and 24. This is a separate, you can say, as a a la carte pack. Generally with the main dish that comes the a la carte pack. So here they have, this time PW has launched infinity features, right? Apart from batch, they have to pay bit extra and you will get this features. Now what are those features? First feature is explained by ma'am. Now rest of the things ma'am is going to carry forward.
So ma'am, what is this mentorship?
Okay, so sometimes you see that in our batches there are a lot of enrollments. Sometimes the numbers go up in thousands. So students complain, some of them, that they need mentorship. Like anytime
you mean
a doubt
personal
arises,
assistant?
not necessarily one-to-one kind of an assistance. What we
Okay.
provide here is, in the batch, whoever enroll for this particular, whoever subscribe for this infinite features,
Yeah.
what they're going to get is, we're going to group them into 75 people, a group involving 75 students.
Okay.
And in every one of these groups, you're going to have a mentor. So this mentor will be, there's going to be a team of subject matter experts under this mentor. And at any point in time, you have any doubts regarding your academics,
so
you can
ma'am,
post those
sorry
doubts.
to interrupt. Is it like we had a class teacher in school? So whatever problems we have, we go to them.
Yeah,
and
you
ask?
can kind of,
Yeah.
it's kind of similar.
Yeah.
So what happens is, we are going to be creating groups either on Telegram or WhatsApp. That will be announced later. So
Okay.
in that group, whatever doubt arises in any subject at any point in time while they're studying late in the night, early in the morning, does not matter. You can post it. You're going to get answers as soon as possible. All of the queries are going to be addressed as soon as possible. So that is what we're going to get with the mentorship feature. So
Okay.
to talk about Pitara.
Yeah, so this is Pitara. So as some of you would be knowing, we are from PW Karnataka. So actually Pitara means, that in olden days, there was a treasure box sort of a thing where, during those days, people used to keep jewelries and all of those things inside. Yeah, valuables, exactly. Acha, okay. Yeah, so that is very similar to, I can say it is same, right? Yeah, for students it's going to be same. Exactly. So in this Pitara, we will be having, students will be having all the access to all the previous batches, like it can be, 12 standard batches, or it can be all the previous batches they are able to, crash courses. Like last year we had champions, NEET champions as one of the crash course. So they will be having access to it. So when I say access to it, they'll be having access to all the tests, all the notes, all the classes, TPPs, everything. Okay, so it's literally a Pitara or Pitara, I don't know what you call in Hindi. for
Don't
the
forget
students.
to lock it.
Yeah,
I'm having a
exactly.
doubt. Is it having the each and every micro detail of NCRT in Pitara? Is it?
Of course, because since we used to teach for like NEET as well as for the 12, so
You have to
definitely
lock
NCERT.
the Pitara in your mind and keep a key with you, right?
Exactly. That's
So moving on to the next feature, it is a free access
One
to.
moment.
Yeah.
Also in this Pitara batch, you're going to get questions strictly from NCRT. It's like they're going to divide the entire chapter into chunks and probably like 1 paragraph or 2 paragraphs long, and then questions based on specifically those you're going to get. Like you read a paragraph of NCRT, questions related to just that paragraph are going to appear, and you can take a quiz, and then in a quiz format you will be able to solve those questions.
So, ma'am,
So
is it like dissecting
line by line, we are like
NCRT?
breaking NCRT down so that
Yeah.
it makes the job easier for all the
Yeah,
students.
you're dissecting NCRT.
Absolutely.
Okay, moving on to the next feature, free access to upcoming test series. Sir, can you please explain?
So this is one of the next amazing feature of the Batch Infinity, which is free access to upcoming test series. So we are planning to come with around 30 to 45 tests, and student can take these tests as a mock test for NEET, because we all know as much as it is important for preparing for subjects, for clearing our concepts and practicing DPPs, it is actually more important to focus on mock tests.
It also
Sir,
teaches them
sir,
like
doubt.
time
Sir,
management.
doubt. Sir, what are the features, what are the advantages of this test series? Like, am I going to have my All India rank?
Absolutely. So as you know that all over India, like hundreds of thousands of students are right now studying from this amazing platform of Physics Wala. So because of this large pool, students can have a better idea where they are standing, in what areas they need to work more.
So, is this test really going to motivate me or demotivate me? See, suppose on the very first test, I'm not going to have R1, right? But yeah, at a point, I can understand where actually I rely, where actually I lie. So, can you elaborate the features of this test, please?
Actually, sir has raised an amazing point that after giving some such mock test or full-length test, many times students, especially droppers, they actually can get a little demotivated by seeing low scores. So, sir, I think then we are going to come into the play. Students can discuss, can analyze the test results with us, and definitely they are going to have solutions for these tests as well.
Okay, so test is really going to test your patience and hard work. Yeah. Moving on to the next feature, free access to previous NEET English batches. So Vindhya ma'am, I feel like isn't this feature is similar to Khazana? Can you please differentiate both the feature?
Actually, it was my bad. Pitara should be. The feature of Pitara is like where you can literally, get the questions related to, lines of NCRT. Whereas free access to previous NEET English batches, what I actually told about NEET Pitara, Pitara. But it is one and the same, right? Like almost it's similar. So
All the mangoes are in one basket.
exactly. So that is
Okay.
about, that is
So-
about,
That is about the infinity features that this time PW has added specially for students.
Yakeen starter pack. Basically, this starter pack will have a few sessions जहां आप अपने teachers के साथ में basically it's kind of orientation. थोड़ा आप जान लो कि आपके teachers आपको पूरे साल भर कैसे पढ़ाने वाले हैं, how they are going to guide through the whole year. So this is something new. ये पहले I guess it was not there, right, sir?
Actually, last time there was a small issue. Whenever the faculty comes into the first class, so the students are having the flows of comment.
Right.
कैसे पढ़ाओगे, how they are going to
Correct.
do right? How we are going to note it up. So for that, we had a separate discussion with the team, and they said we will keep few session in which we will actually guide you, and those sessions will be specially associated with the Yaqeen batch. How you have to note it down, how you have to manage time, how you have to manage things with classes,
Right.
Each and every query will be answered into the separate session, so that when first class comes,
All
student
these
is
doubts, right,
prepared with
prepared.
all his arms and ammunitions.
Correct.
So this is what
Which is very good, actually really good, because students को हमेशा demand रहता है.
पूरा lecture एक नहीं, दो, तीन, sometimes 2, 3 lectures moves on, and students think, और इससे क्या होता है, we are providing enough, but student thinks, अरे यार ये क्या हो गया अभी यार. So this is kind of a hustle and bustle. So for that separate starter pack we have kept it.
Great.